lahat, yung performance-based bonus, yung BPM po, sinabi na granted daw yung appeal nyo for PBB. Ano na?
Gusto na po yung PBB ng mga guro ng DepEd.
Granted po.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Napakagandang
PBB.
balita.
Ano na po ang status nito? Actually, ang sumalaman ng mga teacher, kailan na po ito ma-release?
We have a pending appeal, Your Honor, sa the interagency body that decides on the appeal. So we've appealed that and we're awaiting the decision, Your Honor.
So, hindi pa nakakarating sa inyo na granted na yung appeal nyo?
There is no formal resolution but may naririnig ko kami na nag-grant na daw ho.
Okay, so that has to be followed up.
Sa muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at pakikinig. Once again, El Maestro. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!